Replacing a set of pedals on your bike may seem simple enough, but here's a few tips to help you prevent damage and to keep them on tight for those long rides. I recommend using a proper 15mm pedal wrench for this tutorial, as they have a long handle and fit easily into the narrowest pedal slots. When removing your pedals, the first step is to make sure you have both wheels firmly on the ground. This will give you better support for the leverage that is required to loosen your very tight pedal threads. Notice how I've positioned the crank arm and pedal tool so I can push down with more force. Loosen the right side pedal by turning counterclockwise, just like any traditional threaded nut. It is very important to remember that the left pedal has a reverse thread, which keeps the pedal from unscrewing while you ride. To loosen the left side, you will have to turn the wrench clockwise. Before installing the new pedals, apply a thin coat of waterproof grease to the threads. This helps tighten your pedals and keep the threads from seizing, so that they can be easily removed in the future. Tighten the right pedal by turning the wrench clockwise. Tighten the left pedal by turning counterclockwise.